Hey, it's Benjamin here with Safe Drive Solutions, and we're going to talk about a really popular question that's been asked for me lately. And that would be, can I get a dash camera with longer than 1 minute file recording sizes? So all the dash cameras that we deal with typically do 1 minute recordings. And if there's incidents, they're usually anywhere from a 20 to 30 second incident files. So there's a couple different reasons why you want to get a dash camera that only has these features. Okay. One of them is you want the smaller file size. 2, it's easier to find the file. 3, in this province, and probably in many other provinces, ICBC is our insurance company. ICBC accepts maximum 25 megabyte video files. So if you had let's call it 10 minute or 15 minute videos all in a row, you're going to be sitting there downloading probably, 500 megabyte file. And now you're going to have to take that 500 megabyte file, have video editing software, and edit the video in order to upload it to ICBC for your insurance company. So the reason why they do the short, like I said, incident recordings are typically 20 and 30 seconds is because you want to be under that 25 megabyte file, so it's very easy for you to submit. Also, think about this. All the dash cameras we carry while continuously driving will delete an old video file and record brand new ones. So can you imagine you had a 15-minute or 1 hour loop video and you only had a SD card big enough to record, let's call it 2 hours of recording, and it just goes and deletes a whole hour and then starts recording a whole new hour? You lose 60 video files all at once. Instead of just losing 1 minute, recording 1 new minute, deleting 1 minute, recording 1 new minute. So for me, that makes a lot more sense. It's a lot easier to download your phone. And think about this. If you want to download a 1 minute file, typically on most of the units we carry, it's going to take about a minute for you to download that file to your phone. If you had to download a file that's like an hour long, you're probably going to be sitting in your vehicle for an hour. Never mind the fact that that could be like 8 gigs of data. And if you look at your phone nowadays, like my phone, I think it's a 128. I have probably about 30 gigs available space, but not everybody has that kind of space to it. So to download that kind of information is very hard to do it, right? So that kind of answers a couple questions here. We just want to make sure there are some reasons why the dash camera companies do the short video file recordings, and I just wanted to make sure to address it just to answer anybody's questions, because I have been asked it quite a lot lately. I guess there are some cheaper dash cameras on the market that will record these long amounts of time. Like I said, keep in mind, if you need to submit that to an insurance company, you are now going to have to be familiar with video editing software, and you're going to have to download it and edit it, trim it, be capable of doing that. And not everybody has that capability. Anyways, cheers.